morning everyone. How are you all? Feeling fine? Great? Awesome. So now it's time to begin with our today's classes. So you all are well prepared to begin with the classes? Having all your today's study material, your stationeries set with you, isn't it? Great. So you all are now habitual for these online classes also. So honestly tell me, how many of you are actually missing the school? Few of you are missing it. Wow. I'm missing you all, isn't it? अब आप स्कूल में आते, हम खेलते, हम प्लेग्राउंड में प्ले करते, we were playing train games and all lot of things, isn't it? So I know you all are missing that, isn't it? But if you are missing something, something good is also going. That is, you are able to spend maximum time with your parents. You are learning in a very new and different way, isn't it? Now you all know how to see videos, how to do your work, just understanding what ma'am is teaching you, isn't it? So I applaud for you all. All of you clap for yourself that now you are understanding technologies and you are doing your work yourself. Many of the parents are saying that ma'am ये पूरी वीडियो खुद देखता है और खुद सारा वर्क कंप्लीट करता है, then he clicks the picture and share by himself. That's really nice that you have understood everything and you are taking care of yourself at home also, isn't it? So that is why I'm saying applaud for yourself. Very good. Just say yourself very good like this, isn't it? Okay, so let's begin with the classes. Today is 8th October 2020. So in the October month, today is 8th day. That is why the date is 8th October, isn't it? And the day is Thursday. So on Thursday, we start our day with maths class, isn't it? We start our Thursday with maths class. So what am I going to teach you in maths today? Today we are going to understand something that we are doing regularly. Actually every day, every now and then you are doing it. So today we are going to learn about the concept open, close. So what is the meaning of open? Now this is your maths book. See class, this is your maths book. If I say open your book on page number 111. So you will open your book on page number 111. Close your book. So you have closed your book. Open your book. Close your book. तो ये तो आप रोज ही कर रहे हैं ना? You are doing it every day. You are opening your book. You are doing your work. You are closing it. You are keeping it back. अब जब वापस रखना है, you are opening the cupboard. आप अपनी कबर्ड ओपन करते हैं, बैग ओपन करते हैं, बैग में सारा स्टफ रखते हैं, close the bag, isn't it? So open and close. Every day, every now and then we are doing this. Now, I say close your eyes. So what you are doing? Close your eyes. Your eyes are closed. Now, open your eyes. Eyes are open. So open मतलब जब हम किसी चीज को खोलते हैं, open your eyes, आंखें खोलिए. Close your eyes, आंखें बंद कीजिए. So understood the meaning of open and close. Open means when we are opening something, जब हम किसी चीज को खोलते हैं, and close जब हम उसको बंद करते हैं. Now a very simple example. See, this is a window, isn't it? So the window is closed, but here जब हम विंडो को ओपन करते हैं, उसके डोर्स ऐसे हो जाते हैं and this is the opening part. The window is open. So what is the meaning of open? मतलब खुलना. Open something. Close, close it. Now when you are feeling thirsty and you want to drink water, what do? You take your water bottle, open it. See? So I am opening the bottle. I'll drink some water. I say close your bottle. So this is how you have closed it. Now nothing will come out and I'll keep it back. So this is your pencil box. One more example. Now if you want to keep something, first we will open it. खोलेंगे ना इसको ऐसे. Then we will keep our This is open. Closed. Now you are not able to see me. Now I open it. You are able to see me. For example, when we are using cameras in the phone, or you are watching this video also, to watch this video you have to first switch on your mobile. Open करा ना हमने विंडो को, जिस विंडो पे आपके YouTube विंडो पे आपको वीडियोस मिलते हैं. So first you have opened YouTube. ओपन किया ना YouTube को, उसी में आपको वीडियो मिला. और आफ्टर वॉचिंग द वीडियो यू हैव शट द विंडो. आपने YouTube को क्लोज कर दिया. सो ओपन मीन्स खोलना एंड क्लोज मीन्स बंद करना. अंडरस्टूड दैट? ओके. सो वन थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क, नाउ व्हाट शेप इज दिस? इट्स अ ट्रायंगल. अब ये क्लोज्ड है क्योंकि इसके सारे कॉर्नर्स बंद हैं. बट दिस इज एन ओपन शेप. अब ये ओपन है क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये शेप कंप्लीट नहीं किया गया. Isn't it? So this shape is not complete because it is having an opening here. ये यहाँ से open है, but here it is closed. Understood? Similarly with the window, this window is closed. ये window कैसा है? Closed है. और ये window कैसा है? It's open. खुला हुआ है. Now one thing like when you were studying in class, जब आप स्कूल आते थे and you were studying physically here in class, तो जब हम स्मार्ट बोर्ड चलाते थे, मैम पहले क्या करते थे? कंप्यूटर को ओपन करते थे, स्मार्ट बोर्ड स्टार्ट करते थे, फिर उसमें विंडोज ओपन होती थी. सो अगेन फर्स्ट वी हैव टू ओपन इट. जब किसी चीज़ को हम खोलेंगे तभी यूज़ कर पाएंगे. सेकेंडली व्हेन यू आर बाइंग न्यू टॉयज, आप उसकी पैकिंग ओपन करते हो, isn't it? आप उसका बॉक्स ओपन करते हो, यू प्ले विद इट, कीप इट बैक, यू क्लोज द बॉक्स. Now if you want to have a fruit and it's kept in the refrigerator, how will you take it? You will open the refrigerator, take the fruit, close the refrigerator. Clear? So open and close is something that we are doing every day. Room से बाहर आना, you want to go out of the room, you have to open the door. Door is closed na, so you have to open the door. You will go out and again you will close the door. So this is what open and close. Open means खोलना, closed means बंद करना. Clear everyone? So it was a very simple concept, but let us see how we are going to do work in book today. So there are some very amazing coloring work you have to do. Something really very interesting for you all. So now again open your book on page number 111. So we are going to do concept of open and close. So book page number 111. Clear? So open your book, close your book, isn't it? So now first open your book and please keep your pencil colors with you to do this work. Clear? So class, now it's time to open your maths book. So as I told you, open is this. This is how we open. So now we have opened our book on page number 111. Isn't it? So now on this page, what you are going to do? You are going to see the concept, the name of the topic, open and close. So this is our today's topic, open and close. So what you have to do? Here first we are going to write today's date, that is 8th October 2020. So this is our today's date. And this work is our class work. So what we are going to do? We are going to write CW like this. Clear? So now the question says, color the shape which are closed. So now you have to see closed. Closed मतलब बंद. Isn't it? जो पूरी तरह से close है, जिसमें सारी sides आपस में जुड़े हुए हैं. So we are going to color those shapes. So for this, as I told you, take your color pencils, So you all are having those color pencils with you? Great. So now let us see. So what is this? Is it closed? No. So this triangle is not closed. It is open. ये बंद नहीं है ना ऊपर से. So we will not color it. Next we have is a flower. So is this flower closed? Yes, it is closed. So what we are going to do? We are going to color it. Clear? So what we'll do? I'll take my pencil color and I'll start coloring it. So let us see. As I told you, when we color any given object or shape, never take your colors out of the given boundary line. So we'll color it just inside this shape. Like this. Clear? So you will not go outside. The color should not go outside. And we are going to do it like this. So can anyone tell me which color I am using? So can you tell me the name of this color? It's orange. Yes. So anything that is orange in color, we have done the concept of colors and shapes. So you all have forgotten it? No. Very good. So now can you tell me few objects that are orange in color or things we find orange color in them? One is orange fruit, isn't it? So orange fruit is orange in color. Then we have this orange color in pumpkin. The skin of pumpkin is orange in color, isn't it? Then what else? We have a saffron color in our tricolor flag, isn't it? Okay, so now moving to the next picture we have is, what shape is this? It's a rectangle. Is it a closed shape? Yes, it is closed. देखो ये चारों तरफ से बंद है ना, it's closed. So what we are going to do? We are going to color it using a different color. So now tell me which color is this, class? Can anyone tell me? Dark blue. Okay. It can be called dark blue also. So see, when you are doing the color, don't change the stroke sides. Single side में ही आपको strokes लगाने हैं like this. अब ये देखो, इस side पे we can do it like this also. But then try to merge the colors. So do you know how we merge colors? No, I'll teach you that also today. अब हम colors को merge कैसे करेंगे ताकि ये strokes अलग अलग पता ना चले. See, we have our finger. We'll just rub it on it like this. So this is how the colors are merged together. Clear? ये देखो, finger पे भी आ गया ना color. So this is merging that we have done. Now the next shape is circle, but it is not a closed shape, है ना? So we will not color it. Okay, next here we have a circle again, but this circle is closed. So now we are going to circle this shape. Like this, we are using light blue color to circle our to color our circle shape. Yes. So this is how we have colored our circle also. Now next we have a rectangle, but it is not closed. So we will not color it, no. Next we have a flower again. There is a petal which is missing here. So we will not color this also. Next we have is a triangle shape. Yes, it's a closed shape. So we are going to color it. Okay. So now I am taking red color for this triangle, and like this I'm going to color it now. So now I hope you have understood what is closed, what is open. So closed means जो बंद होता है, and open one is, open means जो खुला है. Yes. So windows are open, isn't it? When we sit in the room we open the window, but when it is bad weather outside, जब अंदर बहुत अनप्लेजेंट चीज़ें आती हैं like mosquitoes, or you can say the fresh air is not coming, we close it. So when we open our windows in the morning time, when we have fresh air outside, always mama opens the door and window so that fresh air can come inside our rooms, isn't it? So like this we have colored our triangle also. So now class, this is your today's classwork. So what's your homework for the day? So for homework you have to open page number 102. So on this page you will find, copy the number name in the given numbers, for the given numbers, sorry. So this is your today's homework. See, you all have done, you have already completed the topic number names, isn't it? So from 1 to 10, you have to practice writing these number names here itself in the space provided. Can you see the space? So you are going to write these number names here itself, but in cursive handwriting. Clear? As well as on page number 103 also, you are going to do the same. Write the number for the given number name. अब see, यहाँ पे आपको numbers दिए हैं, you have to write the names. यहाँ पे आपको name दिया है, you have to write the number in these squares. So first we have written date and homework here. Now I am writing date, that is 8th October 2020, and homework here. So these two pages, that is page number 102 and page number 103, are your today's homework. Clear everyone? So 111 classwork and 102 and 103 your homework. So class, I hope that you have understood your today's classwork, that is the concept of open and close. Again I am saying you repeatedly, I am telling you, open means किसी चीज को खोलना, and closed means to close it, किसी चीज को बंद करना. Again one more example. So when you are eating food, you open your lunch box, isn't it? Lunch break mein I have always said, open your lunch box, have your food. Now when the break gets over, close your box, keep it in your bag. So open means kholna and close means band karna. Now as I have told you your today's homework also, so this is your today's classwork, page number 111, but page number 102 and page number 103. These both pages are your today's homework. So I have told you there's nothing new. You have already completed your number names. So you just have to do a revision. It will be like revision also. It will be like completing the concept. So what we are going to do, you are going to do that work in your book itself as your today's homework. There you have to write your number names. Is that clear to all? And I have already told you how you have to do it. For now, it's all for today's class. So just complete your work, share your work, and get ready for today's next class. So can anyone tell me which is the next period? So which books should be on your table? EVS, yes. So today we are going to learn something new in EVS. So take out your EVS books and sit for the next class.